In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to these LED red housing taillights. With the tailgate open from the inside, you can see the two 8mm screws that hold on your taillight. Go ahead and remove both. Now you can pull the taillight straight out. You might need a trim tool to help pry it out from the outside. There we go. Two pins that hook it onto the body here, side of the bed. Flip it upside down. Once you have the assembly flipped upside down, go ahead and unplug the bulb connectors. This one has a bunch of sand in it. Unplug this one as well. This one also has a lot of sand, so leave these over here. Now with the original taillight out, the only thing we have to slightly modify is the routing of this reverse light wiring harness. Bring it underneath this support bar here, because on this new taillight, it's going to connect to the bottom of the taillight as opposed to the top like it was before. You'll also notice that on your taillight you have this extra harness here. Make sure you keep this connected, and you can either stick it to whatever you want back here. It comes with some double-sided tape, or what I'm going to do is actually tuck it into this opening here. Don't put it into this opening because this actually has a hole on the bottom and you don't want it falling down. Let's go ahead and connect the reverse light. Make sure it clicks. Connect the main harness as well. And when you slide the taillight in, make sure that the two pins line up with these two plastic clips on the side of the bed here. Line them up, and then once they are lined up, it should allow you to slide them into place. Once they're lined up, go ahead and tap it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.